All right, this is a review for the DELUX Microfiber Feather Duster, extendable duster with 100 inches extra long pole. Let's just show you that. This is legit. So you are easily going to be able to get to the top of that bookshelf or to the fan on the ceiling or wherever you want to go. The head is also flexible, so you can kind of like bend it, like if you're trying to press down and make sure you get that dust. The other thing that's really cool is you can actually unscrew this like this and then easily just wash it under warm water and then just let it air dry out. So you're going to be able to use this for a really long time. And I think with the 100-inch pole, it just makes this thing super versatile. And we use it a lot to clean the ceiling fan specifically, but higher bookshelves or like in the kitchen, if you got like high cabinets and stuff like that, or maybe like above the appliances, like above the refrigerator. This is great. I definitely recommend trying this out. I think this is going to be one of your favorite cleaning tools.